Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to mute someone's calls on WhatsApp. This is a handy feature that lets you stop notifications from specific contacts, so you won't be disturbed by their incoming calls. Let's dive into the steps and make your WhatsApp experience more peaceful. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure the app is up to date so you have the latest features. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, go to the chat with the person whose calls you want to mute. Whether it's a personal conversation or a group chat, you can follow the same steps. Step 3. Tap on the contact name at the top of the screen. This will take you to their profile page, where you can manage various settings. Step 4. On the profile page, tap on Notifications. This section allows you to customize how notifications work for this particular contact. Step 5. Now, tap on Ringtone. Under the Calls section. This is where you can choose a specific ringtone or mute the sound completely. Step 6. From the list of available options, choose Silent. This will mute their calls, so you won't hear any sound when they try to reach you via WhatsApp. And that's it. You've successfully muted calls from that specific contact on WhatsApp. Now, you won't be disturbed by their calls, but you'll still get messages, and you can always unmute them if needed. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow the same steps and select a different option. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WhatsApp tips.